All right, so we're continuing assignment 21, and you may get lucky when you're multiplying your polynomials and get nothing but monomials times trinomials like this one, which is easier because there's only 3 things to multiply, like it's a regular distributive property. But hopefully you get some trinomials times binomials and stuff like that. All right, so we are continuing to multiply our polynomials using a box, and in this case our box needs to be 3 going this way, so room for a trinomial, 1, 2, 3 terms this way, and only a monomial on top. Now, it doesn't matter that it doesn't have to be in order. In other words, it doesn't have to be a monomial times a trinomial. It doesn't make any difference. But it doesn't matter that where you put the monomial. It can be in front, it can be after. You still have to multiply the 2 terms. So in this case, the monomial came last, and the trinomial came first. So I'm going to put the trinomial this way. 4x squared minus 3x and minus 9, and 9x. The thing is that you're still distributing, but the box method is a little bit more sophisticated than the old distribute method. So 9 times 4 is 36. Let me do this in a different color. 36. And there's 1 x on top and 2 more on the side for a total of 3. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27, and 1 on the side and 1 on the top makes 2, x squared. In other words, this is x times x makes x squared, and then 9 times negative 9 is negative 81, and there's only the x on the top, for a grand total of 36 x to the third minus 27 x to the second minus 81x. And I'm going to run out of room here, so let's scooch this over a little bit. Minus the last term, 81x. All right, and we continue practicing these. At some point or another, if you feel like you've got this, then by all means, pause the video and try to do them on your own. I would expect that most people have pretty much got it by now, but I'm going to keep practicing. So I've got a binomial going this way and another binomial going this way. Go ahead, Nadia. So my first binomial is negative 2r to the fourth and minus 4r squares. And then this other binomial is 5r to the second and positive 6r. And now I start multiplying. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, and there are 4 and 2 r's. 4 and 2 make 6, so 6 r's here. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20, and 2 r's and 2 r's make 4 r's. 6r times negative 2r to the fourth is negative 12. R to the 1 plus 4 is fifth. And then negative 4 times positive 6 is negative 24. R to the 2 plus 1 is 3. And for this one, I know you guys are going to be tempted to add the diagonal like we usually do. But in this case, I have r to the fifth is this term and r to the fourth is this term. So let's hunt for anything of the same rank. Rank 6, rank 5. So I'm just going to put on top rank 6, rank 5, rank 4, rank 3. And there is never a rank that's the same. Whereas, like for this one, this was rank 5 and this was rank 5, so I added them together. This one, it just so happens that none of the ranks are the same. And so my final answer is just everything all strung together. Negative 10r to the 6th minus 12r to the 5th minus 20r to the 4th minus 24r to the 3rd. All right, and there's no like terms there because they all have different exponents. All right, pause here if you're waiting. And looks like another binomials. So I'm going to try to make this a little bit smaller so everything fits in better. Okay. So I've got the binomial negative 6t to the fourth going this way, and then going the other way, the binomial here. So negative 6t to the fourth and negative 2t to the second, negative 6t to the fourth again, and then the last term here, minus 5t to the third. So now I start multiplying the top times the side. 6 times 6 is 36. T to the 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 plus 4 is 6 altogether, 2 here and 4 here. And then next, 5 times 6 is 30. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 times 2 is 10, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Whoops. This is actually a common mistake here. You see that I left out the t, and that's important because I don't mean 10 to the 5th. That's 10. That's 5 tens. I mean 10 t to the 5th. That's 1 10 and 5 t's. Right, you can see the difference. If you don't have this base in there, then you're saying that there's 10 to the 5th. That's not what you want. And okay, so again, just like the previous problem, I've got a rank 8, a rank 7, a rank 6, and a rank 5. So none of those can be added together. 36 t to the 8th plus 30 t to the 7th plus 12 t to the 6th plus 10 t to the 5th. And you notice that I've written this from biggest rank 8 down to smallest rank 5. There's no reason why you have to, because addition is commutative. I could switch the order of these if I wanted to. But just as a matter of good taste, it's always good to put your highest rank first and go down rank from there. Okay, pause here if you're waiting. Next problem. And I've been looking forward to this one. It's a binomial times a trinomial. And it looks like I need room for 2 going this way and 3 going this way, so it's a rectangle. And I need room for 2 this way and 3 this way. So let's see, my first binomial, the thing that I set up here, a binomial having 2 terms, I'm putting this binomial with 2 terms on this side of the box. And then minus 5x. And the trinomial, I made room for it up here. I am definitely going to have some like terms at the end of this one. All right, so negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. 2 on the side and 4 on the top make 6. Negative 4 and negative 3 make positive 12. X to the 2 plus 3 is 5. Negative 4 and negative 3 is positive 12 again. X to the 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 times 5 is 35. X to the, and I'm going to put a 1 here, x to the 1 plus 4 is 5. And then 4 times 5 is 20. X to the 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 times 5 is again 20. Whoops, 20. Got 12 on the brain here. 2 and 1 make 3. And then I could write these all out this way and then circle the 2 like terms and add them together, but it's convenient to go ahead and identify them at this step. And looking here, this is rank 6. Rank 6, rank 5, rank 4, rank 5 again, rank 4 again, rank 3. So the 2 that are like terms are these 2 of rank 5 and these 2 of rank 4. And I believe they live on the diagonal again. 12 x to the 5th minus 35 x to the 5th. So that's 12 minus 35, and those are opposites, so I subtract negative 23. Negative 23 x to the 5th. And that comes from these 2 terms, negative 35 and positive 12 x to the 5th. And then the other 2 are here. 12x to the, whoa, boy. Okay, there we go. 12x to the 4th and 20x to the 4th. And those are both positive. So when I add those 2 together, I will get 12x to the 4th plus 20x to the 4th makes 32x to the 4th. And again, the x to the 6th here and the x to the 3rd here are lonely. They don't have anything to add together. So I've taken care of these 2 to make negative 23, and these 2 added to make 32, and now I'm ready to write all my terms down. First term, negative 21x to the 6th. Next term, x to the 5th, negative 23x to the 5th. Next term, the x to the 4th, positive 32x to the 4th. And my final term, 20x to the 3rd. All right, pause here if you're following along. And I think I've only got 3 more. So we're going to continue practicing. By this time, surely you're able to do this on your own. So try to do it on your own. I need room on this side for 3 and room on the top for 2. So it's a rectangle like that. And I need room for my trinomial going this way and my binomial going the other way. And my trinomial, 6t to the 4th, negative 6t to the 3rd, and 4t. And the binomial, 2t to the 3rd and 6t to the 2nd. And then multiply inside. 2 times 6 is 12. T to the 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 times negative 6, negative 12. T to the 3 and 3 make 6. 4 times 2 is 8. T to the 1 and 3 make 4. 6 times 6 is 36. T to the 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. T to the 5th. And 6 times 4 is 24. T to the 1 plus 2 is 3. And then these two are not like terms. Let me double check that. 3 and 1 make 4. Okay, that's right. And then 2 and 3 make 5. 2 and 4 make 6. And 3 and 3 made 6. Okay, everything looks good. So I only have the 2 like terms in this case. So this is rank 7, rank 6, rank 6, rank 5, rank 4, and rank 3. And the only 2 that I have that are the same rank are my t to the 6's here. And when I saw that, what I was doing was that it seemed a little suspicious to me because I'm used to the being like terms on the diagonal. So I just went back and double checked. And yeah, they all look good. And so I'm adding these 2 together. 36 minus 12, t to the 6's is 24, t to the 6's. And that takes care of these 2 terms, the 36 and the negative 12 make 24. So altogether, 12 t to the 7th, 24 t to the 6's, negative 36 t to the 5ths, 8 t to the 4ths, and 24 t to the 3rds. All right. So you can see, well, it's possible that you can see why I said that math teachers really like these problems. They're just kind of automatic. There's calculations, and you just kind of plug and chug. Pause here if you're waiting. And I believe that's it. So the last 2 problems, if you would please try to do those on your own. I've gotten, at this point, plenty of examples for you. Okay, so in your binder check, the remaining problems, what I'm going to be looking for is, can you do those on your own? When I check your binder check, I'm looking for the next couple of problems on your own. Okay, so this was part 2 of this video, and you guys are ready for assignment number 22.